Building with bots. Chatbots as the AutoCAD of conversation. Imagine an engineer meticulously crafting an intricate machine in AutoCAD, each line and curve a precise calculation. Now, picture another engineer weaving words into dialogues, shaping user journeys with every conversation. Though seemingly disparate, these worlds of design and dialogue converge in a surprising way through chatbots. Yes, creating with chatbots shares a curious kinship with building in AutoCAD. While AutoCAD sculpts metal and steel, chatbots mold the malleable clay of conversation, both demanding precision, planning, and a dash of creative spark. Shared blueprint, precision and planning. Like AutoCAD's rigorous geometry, chatbots thrive on well-defined rules and structures. Both require engineers to understand the tools at play, be it programming languages or natural language processing algorithms. Debugging logic errors in a chatbot conversation feels eerily similar to correcting misaligned lines in a CAD drawing. Automation advantage, saving time and money. Both chatbots and AutoCAD automate tasks, freeing engineers for higher-order thinking. A chatbot can handle repetitive customer queries, while AutoCAD automates drafting mundane components, both saving precious time and resources. This efficiency boost translates to cost savings, making both tools valuable assets in the engineering arsenal. Fueling innovation, a spark for new ideas. Beyond mere automation, both chatbots and AutoCAD can ignite creativity. Just as AutoCAD lets engineers experiment with virtual prototypes, chatbots can be crafted to explore conversational possibilities, testing different dialogue flows and user interactions. This iterative process can spark original ideas and novel solutions, pushing the boundaries of both design and communication. Diverging paths, domain and flexibility. While the parallels are enticing, their paths diverge at a crucial point: domain and flexibility. AutoCAD reigns supreme in the realm of precision engineering, its outputs dictated by physical laws and technical standards. Chatbots, on the other hand, dance in the world of language, where nuances and ambiguities abound. Their outputs adapt to user input, making them more fluid and unpredictable, like improvisational jazz compared to AutoCAD's classical concerto. Strengths and limitations. Finding the right tool. Each tool comes with its own strengths and limitations. Chatbots excel at engaging users, generating diverse content, and adapting to context. However, their reliance on complex AI models can lead to occasional inaccuracies and inconsistencies. AutoCAD, on the other hand, shines in precision and reliability, but its rigidity can limit creative exploration. Choosing the right tool, be it the digital scalpel of AutoCAD or the conversational chisel of a chatbot, depends on the task at hand. When it comes to shaping user experiences or crafting product interactions, chatbots offer a powerful new dimension, one where engineering precision meets the dance of words. So, the next time you see a chatbot in action, remember the unseen engineers behind it, meticulously building conversations, their fingers not on a mouse, but on the keyboard of human interaction. This article, informed by Bing's insightful analysis, has hopefully shed light on the surprising parallels and divergences between chatbots and AutoCAD. As these tools continue to evolve, their interplay promises to shape not just products and structures, but the very fabric of our digital interactions.
Please write an article which discusses creating with chatbots is like creating with AutoCAD, and I have sourced some useful information. That's an interesting question. Chatbots and AutoCAD are both software tools that can help engineers create and design products or services. However, they have different purposes and functionalities. Chatbots are computer programs that mimic human conversation and make it easy for people to interact with online services using natural language. They can help engineers automate tasks such as customer support, marketing, and even sales. Chatbots can also generate content such as tables, emails, texts, and more squared. Chatbots use artificial intelligence, especially natural language processing, to understand and respond to user inputs cubed. AutoCAD is a computer-aided design and drafting software that helps engineers create 2D and 3D models of buildings, structures, machines, and other objects to the power of 4. It can help engineers visualize, simulate, and analyze their designs before they are built to the power of 4. AutoCAD uses geometric and mathematical principles to create accurate and realistic representations of physical objects to the power of 4. Producing with a chatbot is like producing with AutoCAD in some ways, but not in others. Here are some similarities and differences. Similarities. Both chatbots and AutoCAD require engineers to have some knowledge of programming and software development. They need to know how to use the tools effectively and efficiently, and how to troubleshoot any errors or bugs that may arise. Both chatbots and AutoCAD can help engineers save time and money by automating some aspects of their work. They can also improve the quality and consistency of their outputs by reducing human errors and biases. Both chatbots and AutoCAD can enhance the creativity and innovation of engineers by allowing them to explore different possibilities and scenarios, and to generate new ideas and solutions. Differences. Chatbots and AutoCAD have different domains and applications. Chatbots are mainly used for communication and interaction, while AutoCAD is mainly used for design and drafting. Chatbots can handle natural language inputs and outputs, while AutoCAD can handle geometric and numeric inputs and outputs. Chatbots and AutoCAD have different levels of complexity and flexibility. Chatbots are more complex and flexible than AutoCAD, as they can learn from data and adapt to user preferences and feedback. AutoCAD is more simple and rigid than chatbots, as it follows predefined rules and standards. Source: Conversation with Bing, the 9th of January 2024.
Chatbots and AutoCAD, engineers' tools on two sides of the spectrum. Engineers, the builders and dreamers of our world, often rely on a diverse toolbox. While wrenches and screwdrivers bring physical creations to life, software like AutoCAD and chatbots offer a different kind of construction, one of ideas and interactions. Comparing these seemingly disparate tools might seem like comparing apples and spaceships, but a closer look reveals some fascinating parallels and surprising differences. Precision and planning. AutoCAD's architectural might. Think of AutoCAD as the meticulous architect, meticulously laying down lines and shapes, crafting the blueprints of machines, buildings, and even entire cities. Its strength lies in precision, its commands akin to a language of perfect angles and calculated curves. Engineers, wielding this digital drafting tool, can visualize and optimize their designs before a single brick is laid, ensuring structural integrity and aesthetic harmony. Conversation and connection. The chatbot's social savvy. On the other side of the spectrum sits the chatbot, a master of communication, weaving words into tapestries of interaction. These digital conversationalists can guide customers through complex processes, answer questions with disarming ease, and even inject a touch of personality into the often sterile world of online services. For engineers, chatbots can be invaluable assistants, automating repetitive tasks and freeing them to focus on the bigger picture. Similarities that bridge the divide. While their domains differ, both AutoCAD and chatbots share some surprising common ground. Both require a certain level of technical know-how, demanding engineers understand their underlying principles and wield them effectively. Both offer the potential for increased efficiency, streamlining workflows and minimizing human error. And most importantly, both can spark creativity and innovation, allowing engineers to explore new possibilities and generate novel solutions. Differences that define the landscape. Yet, the differences between these tools are just as significant. AutoCAD thrives in the realm of the tangible, meticulously crafting blueprints that translate into concrete reality. Chatbots, on the other hand, exist in the ephemeral world of language, their impact measured in conversations and connections. This difference extends to their complexity as well. While AutoCAD operates on a set of predefined rules, chatbots, fueled by AI and machine learning, are constantly evolving and adapting, forever learning from the data they consume. Strengths and limitations, a balancing act. Each tool shines in its own way. AutoCAD's precision ensures accuracy and reliability, while chatbots excel at engaging users and fostering dialogue. However, their limitations are equally important to consider. AutoCAD can be rigid and inflexible, demanding a clear vision from the outset. Chatbots, on the other hand, can sometimes lack the accuracy and focus of their more technical counterparts. Conclusion: a toolbox for the modern engineer. Ultimately, both AutoCAD and chatbots are valuable tools in the engineer's arsenal. They offer different strengths and cater to different needs, but understanding their similarities and differences allows engineers to leverage them effectively. So, the next time you envision a towering bridge or craft a witty chatbot, remember, both are products of the same creative spirit, wielding different tools on the vast canvas of engineering. This revised article incorporates your sourced information and expands on the original idea to create a more engaging and informative piece. It highlights the similarities and differences between chatbots and AutoCAD, drawing parallels and emphasizing their respective strengths and limitations. I hope you find it helpful. Chatbots and AutoCAD, building bridges between words and worlds. At first glance, the idea of comparing chatbots and AutoCAD might seem like comparing apples and oscilloscopes. One whispers with words, the other hums with precision lines. Yet, delve deeper, and fascinating parallels emerge, revealing the unexpected ways these seemingly disparate tools can bridge the gap between communication and creation. The engineer's palette. Both chatbots and AutoCAD are, in essence, tools for engineers. Chatbots empower engineers to build bridges of conversation, crafting seamless interactions with customers, clients, and even internal teams. AutoCAD, on the other hand, lets them build bridges of steel and silicon, translating their ideas into precise 2D and 3D models. While their domains differ, the underlying principle is the same, giving engineers the tools to shape and refine their creations. The power of automation. Both tools offer the magic of automation. Chatbots can take over repetitive tasks like answering FAQs or scheduling appointments, freeing engineers to focus on more complex problems. AutoCAD automates drafting and calculations, ensuring consistency and accuracy while saving precious time. In both cases, automation acts as a silent partner, allowing engineers to do what they do best: think, innovate, and create. Sparkling creativity. While AutoCAD's strength lies in precision, it's not devoid of creative spark. The ability to experiment with different designs, simulate real-world conditions, and visualize possibilities in 3D unleashes engineers' inventive spirit. Chatbots, too, can be hotbeds of creativity. By analyzing data and responding to user preferences, they can help engineers generate new ideas, personalize interactions, and craft unique solutions, all within the realm of natural language. The yin and yang of complexity. The complexity of these tools is where they diverge. AutoCAD operates with a set of well-defined rules and standards, demanding precision and adherence to established principles. Chatbots, on the other hand, embrace the messy world of natural language. They learn from data, adapt to user feedback, and exist in a state of constant evolution. This difference highlights their contrasting strengths: AutoCAD's unwavering accuracy versus the chatbot's dynamic adaptability. Limitations and strengths: no tool is perfect, and both chatbots and AutoCAD have their limitations. Chatbots may lack the precision and reliability of their mechanical counterpart, sometimes stumbling over nuances of language or spitting out generic responses. AutoCAD, while a master of precision, can be rigid and inflexible, struggling to capture the organic flow of human conversation. However, these limitations are also their strengths. Chatbots' flexibility allows them to engage and personalize, while AutoCAD's rigidity ensures accuracy and consistency. Ultimately, comparing chatbots and AutoCAD is not about declaring one superior to the other. It's about recognizing the unique ways they empower engineers to create. One builds bridges of words, the other bridges of steel. But in the hands of a skilled engineer, both tools can become instruments of innovation, shaping not just the physical world, but also the landscape of human interaction. This article, based on your conversation with Bing and additional sources, provides a deeper exploration of the unexpected parallels between chatbots and AutoCAD. It highlights the shared principles of automation, creativity, and the unique strengths and limitations of each tool. By recognizing these connections, we can unlock new possibilities for engineers to build, innovate, and connect in ways never before imagined.